Hey people, so we are at this cute little Ganpati, this cute little place that sells these cute Ganpatis. And what I found fascinating is this entire row of Ganpatis here is for just rupees 120, and these slightly bigger ones are for 150. And if you were to buy these clay Ganpatis, you can get it just for 80 rupees. So, this is at West Maritpalli, and I think it is just brilliant that, normally Ganpatis are known to be very, it's quite expensive, but here it is absolutely affordable. 120, 150, 80, and then of course the bigger ones, it runs into hundreds, like 2500, 1800, all of that. So if you all are ever in Maritpalli, you all should visit this place. It is just amazing, because I personally also bought myself a cute little Ganpati. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.